Are you ready for an 8-minute workout for your legs and thighs? Let's get started. My first exercise is a great one. It works the inner and the outer thighs. I love it. You can really feel the difference in this because as you shift your hips back, you push up and use the back of your thighs. This one's a great one. That's it. You can lift your arms up if you can. Think good posture. Good technique is so important. That's it. We got 2 more. Lift that outer thigh. No more jigglies. Come on. Last one. Great. Okay, let's shift to the other side. Let's down and push away. Beautiful. You can use your arms if you like. I love this one. You can do this anytime to firm your inner and outer thighs. Plus, as you shift your hips back, you get the back of your thighs. So great for you. Reshape that bottom half to make it your better half. 2 more. Last one. That's it. Lift it up and release. Now turn to the side. We're going to do a little bit of back of the thigh firmers. Squeeze that tushy and the back of your legs. That's it. Just little squat and lift. Little. Good. Thinking about good posture. Pull in your tummy. That's it. We all have to be reminded. Really lift this back leg. Squeeze and lift. Toning and firming and sculpting. Shaping our muscles. They work miracles on your metabolism. We got to use it or we'll lose them. 2 more. Last one. Beautiful. Let's go to the other side. Thinking about good posture. Set yourself up in the right alignment. Down and push away. That's it. This really starts to firm the back of your thighs. Beautiful. Thinking about tall through the waistline. That's it. Good body alignment. Thinking about squeezing the back of your thighs back there. We're going to reshape every area of our legs. The inner thighs, the outer thighs, front and the back of your thighs. Great, we got 2 more. Last one. Beautiful. Okay, inner thigh toners now. Shift your weight side to side, and as you shift your weight, push your way through the heel of your foot. That's it. Good. You got this. It's worth it. You deserve to look and feel your best. Yes. Shape and tone. Great. Firm it up those legs. We got 2 more. Last one. Great. And now turn your toes out to the side. We're going to do like in ballet. Plies. They work, I promise. Pull your elbows, your knees back. Good. Body posture. Check. Yes. Squeeze your inner thighs together at the top. Down. And now squeeze everything here. This is also really great for the pelvic floor muscles. If you lift and tone, lift up. That's it. Great. We have 2 more. Just do the best you can. These are beautiful plies. If you need a chair to balance, that's okay. Or against the wall. That's it. We got 1 more. Okay, now we stay down there. Now, one of your heels comes up. You will start to feel this in the inner thighs now. Come on. Get low. Feel it. Shape it. No more jigglies inside. We got this. Come on. 2 more. Get lower. Good. Last one. Great. And the other heel comes up. Good. Now get down there. Make sure the knees are open so you get the inner thighs working. That's the area we need to target tone. They're one of the most underused muscles of the body. So firm it up right now, right here. It gives beautiful shape to those gorgeous legs of yours. Beautiful. 2 more. Last one. Get low, 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 low. Okay. Now I want you to try to lift both heels and release. Get down there. Come into the plie. Lift your heels and lower. 1 more. You got this. Lift and lower. Okay, stand up. Let me see that beautiful face of yours. Now it's time to work on some of the back of your thigh muscles. We are going to do what's called a deadlift. So bend your knees to support your back. We're going to keep your back flat. We're going to reach towards your shins and come back up using the back of those thighs, your hamstrings. That's it. Here we go. Hold it, tummy in, Back is straight. Now use all the thigh muscles to lift your chest up. There you go. Let's do it again. These are so important, you guys. They keep your back healthy. They're also so good for the back of the legs. That's it. Shape and tone. Firm up. Back there. Good. No more cottage cheese legs. Come on. We'll work on that the best we can. We can do it. We only have one more. Give it all you got. Back is flat. Tummy's tight. Zip up those abs. Embrace your abs. And you release. Beautiful. Now come on down. I want you to do some outer thigh saddlebag slimmers. They're very simple, but very effective. That's why I love them. All you're gonna do is flex your foot, keep your legs straight as you can. Push that heel through the other side. That's it, beautiful. Lift and lower. Pull the belly button up and in. Tighten up through the abdominals. And now we're working those saddlebags right here. This is where a lot of us women have our fat accumulation. So we're gonna walk it off. We're gonna eat healthy and then do these exercises. It's a 3-prong attack. That's it, 2 more. The last one, hold it up, 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 up. Hold it tall, tall, pull in. Great, inner thigh toners now. Just lift and lower the leg. Notice my foot is flexed, very important. That's it, 2 more. You got this. Pull the tummy in, good. Last one, hold it, and release. Let's switch sides. Great. Think about long and lean legs here. Long and lean, lift and lower. That's it. Push that heel way out there. You're lengthening those legs, ballerina legs. That's it, beautiful. I'm proud of you, just keep moving. That's your goal. You can do it. Pull in your tummy here. Balance yourself well. That's it, gorgeous. We have 2 more outer thigh trimmers. Lift and lower, last one. Okay, bend your back knee, and now it's time to firm the inner thighs. That's it. Again, your heel is pushing out, so you feel inside here. That way you really tone the inner thighs. Did you know even walking doesn't get inside there? But this exercise does, because we're put in a position with gravity, with fighting gravity here. 2 more. Lift and lower. Beautiful. Last one. Gorgeous. Sitting up nice and tall. You can lean up against your couch if you want. You're going to do some firmers of the thighs, the front of your thighs. Just 2 and switch. These work, you guys. Sit up tall. Sit up nice and tall. Can you feel it in the quadriceps above your knee? That's it. Last one. Okay, take a deep cleansing breath. Bring in that oxygen. It equals energy. You did it. And exhale out. That's it. Just relax. Beautiful. And just stretch your legs. And the other side. Beautiful. And stretch and tone. You got that. Okay, you did great. Keep it up. Thanks for working out with me. Woo! If you love this workout, I have so much more at DeniseAustin.com. Try my free trial that you get to do all kinds of different workouts and recipes, eating plans. You will love it. All you have to do is visit DeniseAustin.com. Sign up for your free trial now.